gather around. I want to tell you a story. Good night, construction site. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might. To build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load. Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one more beam. Spinning, churning all day long. Cement mixer sings his whirly song. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. Pushing with her mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. She clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. Roar! Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavator shapes the land. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch! Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. No one's as tough and strong as she, but now Dozer is sleepy as can be. A few more holes to dig and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. She curls into her soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Shh. Good night, cat team. Good night. Construction site, all tucked in tight. The day is done. Turn off the light. Great work today. Now, shh. Good night.